Today, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 apps for your Mac. So let's get started. From the MyIV homepage, click the link for your Office 365 email. I'm already logged in this case, so it's prompting me for my Microsoft Authenticator code in order to proceed. Using the code from your Microsoft Authenticator app, input the code, then click Verify. Next, select Yes to stay signed in. This brings you to your Microsoft 365 homepage. Click on the Install button in the upper right, and then install Microsoft 365 apps. On the next page, click on Install Office. This will begin the download to your Mac. It should be saving to the Downloads folder. When the download completes, launch the installer package from your Downloads folder. Follow the prompts on screen to begin the install. When you're prompted for your password, this is your computer administrator password for your Mac. The installation will then begin, and it can take some time. When the installation concludes, you can close the installer and then send it to the trash. For the next step, a required data notice will pop up from Microsoft. You must hit OK to agree. Then Microsoft Auto Update will appear. You can check for updates for the software if you desire. It is a good idea to keep your software up to date so it has all of the latest security updates. Once you've finished with the updates, you can go to the Launchpad to see where the new software has been installed. You can see the Microsoft apps here on the bottom row. You need to launch one of them in order to log in to Microsoft 365. Here I'm selecting Word. Next, you'll be presented with a sign-in screen for Microsoft 365. Click on the Sign In or Create Account button. You will need to sign in using your Ivy Tech email address and your Ivy Tech account password. Then, you may be prompted again to input an access code from your Microsoft Authenticator app. Once your Ivy Tech account has been verified, you will be able to use all of the Microsoft 365 applications on your Mac. To verify that you're using your Ivy Tech account, click on the icon or picture in the upper left corner. Note your Ivy Tech email address. Now you can create a blank document and start using Word. For more information about using Microsoft Office 365 with your Ivy Tech account, please refer to the Knowledge Base article on MyIV for Microsoft Office 365. It'll be linked below in this video. For more answers to your technology questions, please search the MyIV Knowledge Base. If you need assistance from your friendly neighborhood EdTech, please navigate to link.ivtech.edu/ed-techs to submit a request. Thanks for watching.